In this video, you'll learn how to merge duplicate contacts in Pipedrive in just a few minutes. Duplicate contacts can clutter your pipeline, split conversations across profiles, and make reporting less accurate. Fortunately, Pipedrive includes a built-in tool that helps you clean this up quickly and safely. Start by navigating to the Contacts section from the left-hand sidebar. If the sidebar appears collapsed, use the toggle at the top to expand it so you can clearly see all navigation options. Inside the Contacts section, look for the Merge Duplicates tab and click on it. This page shows any duplicate contacts that Pipedrive has automatically detected, usually based on matching details such as names, email addresses, or phone numbers. If you don't see any duplicates listed, that means Pipedrive hasn't found any likely matches, and your contacts are already clean. If duplicates are shown, select one of the suggested pairs to review. You will then be asked to choose a primary contact, which is the record you want to keep as the main profile. Think of this as the master version of the contact. When both records contain similar information, Pipedrive will prioritize the data from the primary contact. A good practice is to select the contact that appears most complete or most recently updated as your primary. This helps ensure that the most accurate and relevant information is preserved. After selecting the primary contact, click Preview. The preview screen shows how the two records will be merged. Here you can review which details will be kept, which may be replaced, and how related items such as deals, activities, notes, and emails will be combined under the unified contact. Take a moment to carefully review this information to ensure everything looks correct. Pay attention to important details such as email addresses, phone numbers, the associated organization, and the contact owner. If anything seems incorrect, you can go back and choose a different primary contact before proceeding. Once you're satisfied with the preview, click Merge. Pipedrive will quickly combine the records and confirm once the process is complete. After that, you'll return to the duplicates list, where you can repeat the process for any remaining suggestions. If the duplicates list becomes empty, that means all detected duplicates have been resolved and your contacts are now consolidated and organized. To summarize, go to Contacts, open the Merge Duplicates tab, select a primary contact, review the preview carefully, and then click Merge. Taking the time to verify the preview ensures your records remain accurate and well organized. By following this process, you can keep your contact database clean, avoid confusion, and maintain reliable data inside your Pipedrive workspace.